Hi everyone, Lynette here with Lakeshore. As the holidays approach, we thought we'd share a thoughtful gift idea that is so fun and easy for you to make. A pop-up snowman card. Making handmade card is the perfect way to show empathy, increase self-esteem, and if that's not enough, in addition, you're practicing fine motor skills, critical thinking skills every step of the way. This card can be for anyone in your family or even a friend. I'm going to take you through 4 easy steps to create this. So let's get started. Here are a few things you'll need. Paper or cardstock. Choose a bright color. This will be your card color. White paper for your snowman. Crayons or markers for decorating. Glue and scissors. And that's it. If you want to add a little extra, you can add buttons and paint. Step 1, take your white paper and fold it back and forth 5 times, like an accordion. Flip it over, fold it again. You're going to do that 5 times till it looks like this. This is going to be used to make your snowman. Step 2, now use any piece of paper to draw a snowman. Cut it out and fold it in half. Trace it onto your folded paper. When tracing, make sure the hand is closest to an open edge, not a folded edge. Now, cut out the tracing. When you open it up, it should be 3 snowmen holding hands. Step 3, and here comes the really fun part, decorating your snowman. You can add eyes, a mouth, buttons, and even a scarf and hat. Have fun and be creative. Step 4, and the last step, you'll take your colored piece of paper and fold it in half. Then glue the 2 ends of your snowman to each side of the inside of the card. Now it's time to decorate the outside of the card. You can write Happy Holidays, decorate it with snowflakes or candy canes, and be sure to write love and your name when you're all done. That's it, you're done. We'd love to see a photo of your holiday card, so ask your family member or friend to post photos or videos once they open it, and post them to the hashtag LearnWithLakeshore. Happy holidays!
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.